Yo, what's happening, everyone? We are back with another great, amazing episode. You know that sometimes we roll out the design episode. In this design episode of today, it's all about you are a graphics designer. So, what do you want to achieve as a graphics designer? Our host today is Jackson here. So, Jackson, you're gonna explain a little bit about yourself because these guys want to know you more.
Yeah. Okay, people. I'm Jackson Willie Bird, as you know. As my partner said here, I'm a graphic designer.
Yeah.
And today we're going to be discussing about what you want to achieve as a graphic designer. As you all know, what graphic designing is passion, art, creativity,
Yeah.
and all that. So we're going to get to all of that. Just keep watching. Keep it tight with us right here.
Yeah.
And we're going to get there.
That's what's up. So, for further info, let us just get started on this kind of episode
Yeah,
today.
okay.
So, I think to my own kind of aspect as a design in a design industry is all about imagination. I've been talking about this so many times.
Sure.
If you can imagine, just find yourself in a peak whereby you're finding design into
Yeah.
different perspective, right? So if you're finding a design into different perspective, you'll find yourself you're capturing different aspect throughout design, right?
Yeah.
So if you're capturing different aspect throughout design,
Yeah.
and if you're finding it design still it's tight, I
Yeah.
think to my own kind of aspect, you should look upon different designers what they do,
Yeah, to
and
get the
you get
inspiration,
inspiration.
yeah.
So what do you think about it, Jackson? About
Well, think about it is just like you said it. When you find yourself like days are not the same. So there's this time you wake up, you're like, your
Knock
mind
off.
is, you knocked off and you don't get the vibe to design and
Yeah,
do all
yeah,
that.
yeah.
But you need to, as you said, like, you need to go through the internet, maybe Google,
Yeah.
just try and see what other designers do. You can
Precisely.
get yourself inspired and all that. And some of the time you wake up with all this creativity in your mind, all these thoughts in your mind, just
Yeah.
put it out there.
That's
Do what
what-
you do best and it's all gonna be okay. So
Yeah, Jackson, you've been doing designs.
Yeah, for-
In how many years have you just jumping in design?
okay, I've been doing designing for a while, like I can say almost 5 years.
Whoa,
But
nice.
when I started to get serious is no less than a year when I got serious on designing. Because I've been designing, but you know how we used to do back in the days, just for interest and all that,
Yeah.
just editing stuffs.
Precisely.
But as to become a professional designer, it has been a year
Wow,
Yeah, since I've started designing.
That's something which is so great.
as a professional. Yeah,
Yeah, nice. That's good. You know, like you're in a peak whereby you start getting things right
exactly.
as a designer.
Yeah.
You start picking up some stuffs. So
It's-
after picking up some stuffs,
Yeah.
you're in a little bit of another next level.
in
thing.
all level now, yeah.
But a lot of people they just find design
Yeah.
as not that much great because they
They
quit
don't
early.
and they don't understand it.
Yeah, they don't understand. And design doesn't spark as an easy thing. Like
Comes with like your price goes with your work. Like
Yeah.
the kind of work that you give out, it has to go with your price. Like if you
Precisely.
charge 1K, that means your work. If someone looks at it, they say,
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
this is the 1K,
But,
15. This is the 15,000 work, you know.
yeah, true.
But if you're doing something that is good and great, and all that, someone has to say, okay, you charging $1 million for this? Exactly. I can even see the kind of output that I get here.
Precisely.
Yeah,
But
it deserves.
you know, like we have that kind of philosophy or that kind of thing whereby we're saying you pay what you get.
Yeah, exactly.
So I went to that scheme and I thought that okay, these people in our country perhaps they deserve
Okay.
to get what they pay. And that's what's up.
Yeah.
It's like you can't go to a car showroom,
That's
you
the
have
thing.
a 1 million
Yeah.
and you want a Lamborghini.
No. You're gonna get a Vitz special,
No,
that
no.
kind of thing.
Matter of
For-
fact, you might get even a bike, a motorbike.
Exactly.
For that kind of price.
You can get a.
Yeah, you just can't get that kind of price point whereby your price point is minimal and you demand a lot of workflow on it.
Exactly.
It's impossible.
You get what you pay for. That's
Yeah,
what you say there.
and they get upset. Clients do get upset.
Problem comes is that people don't understand that designing is like something very critical. Because people, when they look at your work, they're gonna look at the designing. If they love it, they'll be like, "Oh, this guy is serious. Oh, this guy is."
Yeah,
Yeah, you know.
yeah. But
That's what
something else.
That's what defines you.
Yeah, precisely. And as a designer, as a graphic designer, to achieve,
Yeah.
you must understand many things. But I
Exactly.
usually keep on saying,
Yeah.
you have just to fix a problem. It's like coding. It's like programming.
Yeah.
You have to find a solution. You have to fix a
Solution,
problem.
yeah.
Like a graphics designer and a
Yeah.
programmer, they're just jumping out to the same scenario.
Yeah.
Look, a programmer is doing an art which is coding, right?
Yeah.
And graphics designer is only dealing with graphics, UI,
Graphics.
user interface, and stuff like that, right?
Yeah.
But a lot of people they get confused and understand that perhaps a programmer or as a designer, things which you need to achieve
Yeah.
is only doing a design to earn money.
Yeah.
It's not about earning money.
not about money.
It's about fixing a certain problem. Because a
Yeah.
client does not know how to do a logo design.
Exactly.
A client does not know how to do a poster design, right? Now he's packed himself into different kind of aspects. I think to my own kind of aspect for this kind of thing. What do you think about it, Jackson?
Yeah, okay. So like the challenge comes there that you said it's not about money and it's not about that. So
Yeah.
when you start designing something, like you don't have to think of the manifest.
Yeah.
Just put your visuals out. Like think of something that is going to be creative.
Precisely.
You know, someone that's going to love it. Like you have to listen to a client first.
Yeah.
Just ask him.
What do
yeah,
you need?
Do
What
a
are the
questionnaire. Do a
needs?
questionnaire session.
Yeah,
like
yeah.
3 or 2 questions. Just like what do you see in your logo? Like what are your imaginations?
Yeah.
Starting from there, you can get your ideas, taking these ideas and use. If you put them
But-
together,
but-
you come up with great stuff that
True.
even
But
a
the
client
most-
can deny it. They're like, if you see it, you'll be like, okay, this is super. Maybe we should just change 1, 2, and
True
3.
that.
Like,
True that.
you know, just don't try to control everything. You know, dominate everything. Like,
True.
you're the boss and I'll do the design. You
But
just stay there.
but
Yeah,
Jackson, sometimes clients they're so fascinating
exactly.
when it comes to the imagination.
That's a big
They're
challenge.
like they don't know what they
They
want.
don't know what
right?
they want.
Yeah,
No,
and you're jumping out to be on top of them and telling them
Exactly.
not on top of them, but on
Exactly.
top of what they bring it to you, so as
Exactly.
you can fix it for them.
Yeah.
But sometimes they're like, you know what, this and that. Like, have
I
you
get-
ever
I
sent
get-
5 logos and they're all rejected? And the last one, the first one which you sent,
Yeah.
it's been taken. But for the first time, he
the
does
first
not
time
see.
like you didn't, yeah. Like, hey, do me another. First, in my work, I don't do that kind of shit.
Yeah,
I'm sorry if I'm using some
no.
actual words.
It's okay.
But
It's 100%.
yeah, I don't do that kind of shit. I just design maybe 2 or 3 designs.
Nice.
You pick from those ones, or you tell me what's wrong with this. Let's fix it. The challenge comes here. As a designer, you're like a doctor or someone. You have to read your clients. You have to listen to a client and know, okay, this client is a kind of client. Oh, this is that type of client. He knows what he wants. He doesn't know what he wants.
True.
From there, if
Yeah.
you know he knows what he wants, then you can take his perspectives. If you know he doesn't know what he wants, you can just
can
tell him,
just-
okay,
yeah,
chill,
true.
I'll do the design and I'll send you, and you tell me what's up.
Yeah, that's cool. That's
Yeah,
cool.
so-
I think to my own kind of aspect for
Yeah.
this kind of conclusion, whereby
Yeah.
as a graphic designer, you have
Yeah.
just to achieve something.
Uh-huh.
You have just to understand each aspect of a client, what he or she needs.
Exactly.
Not only a client, but even for your workflow too.
For your
right?
workflow,
So
yeah.
I think it plays a big role. You know, Jackson, me, I've graduated as a computer engineer.
Yeah.
I didn't graduate as a computer science. So
Yeah.
I really love designing.
Exactly.
I started doing design
That I
on
know.
Adobe CS. I remember CS3, I think
Way back, yo.
way back in the days. So
Yeah.
I got captured with design, and I thought that all my ideas which I had, perhaps I can transform them into digital.
Yeah.
So after having all those kind of mindset and ideas,
Yeah.
I think I started understanding more about design, and I find it's a really, really spark.
Yeah.
So there are people who they think that doing bunch of stuff
Yeah.
ain't cool. You have just to stick one thing.
Yeah.
It's true on their own world,
Your
but
own world.
but I exploring more out of design or programming
Exactly.
or even other kind of electronic aspect, I think it plays a good role. So what do you think about that, Jackson? Is it most good thing or is
Okay.
it just like
Firstly, I'll speak of it in 2 ways, okay?
Okay, cool, cool,
Alright, first, it's a good thing. Very good thing, because when you do that, your mind becomes wide, you know?
Yeah.
You know how to connect the dots, like you can have ideas from and get inspiration from different things.
True.
Because you're doing a lot, you know? You're
Yeah.
designing. Let's take an example for you. You're a designer.
Yeah.
You make vlogs.
Yeah.
You do coding.
Yeah.
I know you do a lot of stuff, bro.
Yeah.
So that's makes you to come up with something unique when you're doing your stuff, because
Yeah.
you can connect all those ideas and you can get something out of it that is
Yeah.
so unique, you know, from other people.
And something else which I can quote you there.
Yeah.
People, they listen too much on other people's opinion. That's a bullshit stuff which I really hate about it.
Yeah.
Like if you know what you're gonna do,
Yeah.
just make sure that you do it.
Exactly.
If you think you
Take
wanna
time to know yourself. Take time to know yourself and what you
Yeah,
want, where
and
you go.
patience too.
Exactly, patience too.
So I think that's what the only thing which I wanted to quote you there.
I appreciate for that. And the other thing that I was gonna say is that when you focus, okay, I said that I was gonna speak of it in 2 different perspectives. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. The other one is that it's good if you focus just in one thing.
Yeah, true.
So you will be the one to judge that if you're gonna focus on one thing or
Many things.
the multitasking we call it.
Yeah.
Okay. When you focus on one thing, the good thing is that you put like all your energy, all your time there.
Yeah.
So when you put that energy and time there, it's easy for you like to go, you know, to get deep
deep.
To get too deep. That's the thing.
True,
Like, you can get deep. But when it comes to other thing, you won't be that wide because I just know how to cook. I don't know how to maybe to prepare, to cut the carrots, or to do what.
true. Only
That's the difference between you, the one who's like you don't do a lot of tasks. Like you're focused on one thing, and the different from someone who is multitasking.
True.
Like yeah.
So thank you guys for watching. If you love this video of today,
Get inspired. I'm Jackson. As I told you when we started our tutorial, as a designer or whatever it is that you're doing, just get to know yourself.
and explore more.
Explore more.
And
yeah.
Jackson, I have something to tell you, bro. You just need to open a YouTube channel.
Oh.
These people, you have
For
just
me?
to for your own. Look,
Aight.
like you start even episode, you can roll out episode in a
Oh, yeah.
month, even in a week.
Yeah,
so as
seriously.
people, they can just check you out, bro. Like
Oh,
for
exactly.
real, like it will be
That's
something
that's
which is so
that's
great.
something great. Yeah. We should
do that.
go. I should
Yeah.
go there. Yeah.
So thank you guys for watching. If you love this episode of today, make sure that you hit the thumbs up.
Thank
You're
you for
new
that.
here, make sure that you subscribe, bro.
Super.
Make sure that you
Subscribe to my homie Abdurrahim right
and
here.
soon I'm gonna
Coming with my YouTube channel.
yes, and I'm gonna share with you guys his YouTube channel.
Exactly,
So
yeah.
that's what it is. What it is. We're gonna catch you guys on the next episode.
I